how to get voice chat in Roblox. First things first is open up your Roblox client or just simply access Roblox via the web version. Now log in into your Roblox account. Now, a specific feature on Roblox, which is going to be the voice chat, is actually a bit of a complex method to do. It's because you need to specify or you need to validate all the credentials that you can provide directly to Roblox account so that you will have this additional feature. And you simply head out to your gear icon and then go into settings. Now enter account info, which will give you all the information specifically for your account. And here, what you want to do is make sure that you comply for both all of this setting right here. You will comply all necessary details so that you will have this additional feature. Now, you need to add your phone number in it and verify it. You also need to add a passkey if necessary. And the very important thing to do is to validate or to verify your age. You need to be at least 13 years above so that you can use this kind of feature. If you scroll down here and then under communication tab, you will have that additional feature whenever you fully verified your age in Roblox. And that is how you get voice chat on Roblox.